Hello everyone. Thank you for watching Banking 101. So this is my self-given analysis of SBI Clerk prelims. I had the exam today, 28th February 2025. I had the second shift, I guess 10:30 a.m. How many of you guys had the second shift? Please let me know. So guys, let me tell you, I reached the center 10 minutes before the reporting time, not the exam time, 10 minutes before the reporting time. And yet, when I got to sit on my system, my chair, 10 minutes was left for the exam to start. So you can imagine how many students or candidates were there today. It was too crowded. Anyway, let's get to the analysis part. So yeah, the paper opened with English. So one reading comprehension was there, which was related to a person named Eduardo, I guess, who was trying to plant some seeds and trying to grow some crops, but he was unable to because of some insects or bugs known as stink bugs. And I felt the RC was pretty easy to understand. It was not very difficult. It was some synonym questions were there. So these would be the answer which I got, which was pose will be present, then decline will be decrease, right will be perfectly, and another fill in the blank question was also there, which the answer I figured would be gulp down. Then some fillers was there, which I found a little moderate. So these are the two answers which I remember, sites and had. Then some error questions was there, where mark the part which has the error. Yeah, those questions. So in a part, the verb form of the verb would be told, but instead it was giving tells. So that would be wrong. Then another has have, that problem was there, so that was also wrong. Then rearrangement questions were there, that were easy only, I felt. Then some phrase replacement question was there. I only remember this one, in which despite was given and though would be the answer. So overall, I felt the English section, like with regards to it being a clerk level exam, I felt it was on the moderate side, guys, because I felt that especially the fillers question or the error questions, the options which were given, no, were quite close. As in, if you don't know the exact answer, what we apply is the elimination method, right? We try to eliminate options that, okay, this is not at all going to be placed here, so let's eliminate that. But it was getting a little difficult to do this elimination method, I found, because the options were so close by. They were very close. That's what I felt. You can share it in the comments if you felt the same. So I attempted total 30 questions in English. Then moving to quant. So there was one DI related to home loan and personal loans. And at first glance, when I saw this DI, I was a little happy because it was very small DI, only 2 rows, and basically just 6 data was there, if I'm not wrong, or 6 or 7, or 6 or 8. So only that much data was there, which is very less data to handle. But then I realized that the data is tricky. Like, the numbers are not nice numbers, like 200, 250. These are nice numbers to work with. But that was not the case. The numbers were tricky. So as a result, the calculation was also, was taking time. It was lengthy. Then another caselet was there. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and X and Y, like that. So, in fact, in this caselet also the data was coming tricky. It was not some like nice whole numbers, like 258, 72, like that. The numbers were coming. Then simplification was there, which was easy. Then I remember two arithmetic question, like boat and stream. My answer was coming 7 hours 30 minutes, and one numerator denominator question was there, of which I guess the answer was coming 10. So I know in quant my attempt is less. It should have been a little more than this, but my time just ran out. I actually made a mistake and I got stuck in the caselet, okay, in the data itself. Like I told, it was very lengthy, I felt. So I attempted only 20 questions in quant. Moving to reasoning. So yeah, one question was there where the 4-letter meaningful word they were asking, and only damp was formed. I could not find any other 4-letter word. You can share, guys, if you found any. I don't think anything else would be formed, and the answer was M, because they were asking the third letter from the left end. So M was the answer. Then another parallel seating arrangement question was there. So that was also easy. Then another Monday, Tuesday, weekdays question puzzle was there, so that was also easy. Then syllogisms were also easy. Yes, what was tricky was not tricky, I wouldn't say. It was a little time taking. Yeah, it was a little time consuming, which was the alphanumeric, where in this one only alphabets was there. 5 words was given, so this was taking a little time. Then coding decoding questions were pretty easy. Direction questions were also there, that was also easy. And yes, I remember one answer was 3 meter, the distance between 2 points. And then at last, after doing everything, I think 2 or 3 minutes were left, and the flattened floor puzzle was left, and blood relation was left. What I should have done, anyways, I always do the blood relation at the last only, after I've finished everything. But since 2 3 minutes was there, I picked up the blood relation first, with and not the flattened floor, because I thought that in 2 minutes, how can I solve the flattened floor and then answer also? So I took it, but I could not solve the blood relation. So instead, what I should have done, that I should have taken the flattened floor. At least I could have done 1 or 2 questions. If I would solve it very fast, then at least 1 or 2 questions I would have got. Anyway, so I don't know why I'm quite weak in blood relation. It takes a lot of time. So yeah, I could only attempt 27 in reasoning. So overall, my attempts are 77. And yes, also SBI PO prelims admit card was out today. My exam is on the 24th March, 3:30 p.m. shift, which I guess is the third shift or fourth shift. I'm not sure. You also share, guys, in which shift and on which date you got your SBI PO exam. So we have to prepare for that as well. And yeah, guys, let's hope for the best. Let's hope that whatever I've attempted uh, is enough to get me through to the mains. And all of those who have your SBI Clerk prelims exam on March 1st, which is tomorrow, all the very best, guys. Give your best tomorrow with a positive mindset. And yes, I would also like to say that I know, guys, that I have not been posting videos for a while now. It's been a while now, I know. And to be honest, guys, I was not in the right mental space to make videos. And I didn't know what to share about my life, because I wasn't doing much. You know, you all must realize this, that and I know that I'm not alone in this. There are a lot of people like me who have been repeating over and over again these exams for so many years, and there comes a point, where we feel exhausted. We just feel exhausted, and we feel burnt out. So that's what was happening with me as well. I was feeling burnt out, and that's why I just did not feel like doing anything, let alone or make videos. But I cannot be in that. I cannot let me be myself in that state anymore, and I have to pick myself up. And yes, so I'm thinking of making a daily target challenge video of 35 to 40 days until SBI Clerk mains exam, which we know is on April 10th, because we have to prepare now. The SBI Clerk prelims exam is over, and we have very less time in our hands. We have to cover GK, we have to cover mains mocks and mains level questions. So I will try to be consistent, and I will try to share in a video every day with you guys, so that we can grow together, we can move forward together towards that goal. And yes, that's what I'm planning to do. If you like the idea, guys, let me know in the comments. And yes, please let me also know if you have your exam SBI PO on the 24th March as well or not. That's it for today, guys. See you in the next one. Thank you.